Hello and welcome to Dead Boys Corner, and today what we are going to do is set up modding in Mortal Kombat 1 without proton tricks, because I was seeing the comments from my last video, and a lot of people couldn't get proton tricks working, so we're just gonna create a way to do it without it. Okay, so our first step, I gotta open up Steam, of course. So my setup might be looking a little bit different from your guys's and stuff. It's because I recently installed Navarra Linux onto my Steamdeck, so I ain't running the official SteamOS, but the process is essentially the same. So the first thing what we're going to be doing is going to properties and installed files and browse. So this is just taking us to our Mortal Kombat 1 directory, and we go to MK12 binaries and Win64. So the first two things what we're going to be installing is MK12TTH, or the tiny hook loader, and that allows us to install skins into the game. So how we do that is go into the zip file and we copy all this stuff and we paste it right there. Now, the next thing what I like to do is I like to install MK1 hook with it. So we just copy all that and paste it, and we're gonna overwrite this because MK1 hook has a more updated dsound file. Okay, so that is just the mod loader with MK1 hook that allows for free cam, the ability to play as like NPCs. It does a lot of stuff. Now, the next thing what we do is we go into general and we paste in, let me go pull up my notes real quick. Just copy that real quick. So this command essentially tells the proton prefix, it's hey, we want to use our modified dsound file instead of the one that comes built in with proton. So that's essentially what that is. Now that that's all set up, now let's actually get skins working. So go to properties, install the files, browse, and let me go check my notes. Okay, so it's in content and packs. Content packs. And then what we have to do is create a folder that says logic mods, I believe. Go like that. Okay, now that we have that installed, go to the mod pack of where that is. I just gotta figure out where the fuck I have it downloaded. Don't mind all this. Ah, yeah, there we go. Video game crossover pack. And I'm just gonna bottom, highlight all, go to that, 64, then packs, logic mods, and we just, of course it's going to do that, okay. And paste that. That is going to extract everything. So this is the video game crossover pack, which I will link the file into the description with the commands that we use for all this. Okay, that is done. Now, next thing, what we have to do is find its we have to find its app ID. So Steam apps, Kombat data, and then gonna do just a quick Google search to find out. Normally just go to Kombat 1. Essentially, if you pop up with the Steam page, it will actually tell you what the app ID is, which is right here. So we just need to find this one. So it was 1971870. So that means it is right here. Go to prefix, drive C, and we go to leave users, Steam user, and then app data, local, and MK12, saved, Steam, and go to the notes, and that essentially takes us to a local one. So we're looking for config, Windows, no editor, engine, INI. Config, Windows, no editor, and engine, INI. There it is. And I believe we just paste this at the bottom. Yep. So copy that and go here. Paste. That should do that, and save it. And save. We'll just name this MK1 because that was just my notes. Now all that is done. We can close out of that. Go to roll, maybe. Yep. WINEDLL. That should be. Oh wow! It is struggling with OBS. Oh, yep. There we go. And oh yeah, it's because I have Tekken downloaded in the background, because that will be the next video. And just open this up. If all else works, it should pop up a window showing that the mod loader is running. Yep, please note that MK12 is a free modding tool. And there is our mod loader. Oh, it's doing that. Yeah, it's doing like the whole entire de novo bug and stuff. Because I'm running Nabara, I would have to go into game mode, but that is how you have it all set up. Anyway, hope that was helpful, and that is how you do it. So anyway, y'all have a good day, and peace. It's been Dead Boys Corner.